Hello viewers, this is Rafy once again. Welcome to another video of Make Money with Blogger Blogs completely free with Google AdSense tutorial series. And through our previous videos, we have learned about the background of my vlogging journey, how much I am making, and I have invited to join with me. And in the second video, we have created this beautiful blog site completely free on Blogspot. As you can see, we have made postings, we have made these menu sections, we have updated our logo, we have updated our favicon, and then we have worked on this footer section as well, and along with the sideverse. And here on the third video, we have learned how to make our website look good on mobile devices as well. And in this particular video, we are going to add all the important pages which are legal pages for a blog site to get Google AdSense approved. And I already have a document here which is containing all of the pages information for you, and I'm going to attach the link into the video description so that you will be able to visit this page, and then you'll be just simply copy and paste all of these informations for your website's legal pages. So let me just start the journey from here. Okay, so I want to place, as you may know, to get Google AdSense approval, your About Us page, Contact Us page, and all of the pages like privacy policy, terms and conditions, and then we have got disclaimer pages. These are really important to have on your website. All right, so let me show you how to add these pages into our website so that it will be complete website for Google AdSense application process. So let's start. I am going to get to the Blogger backend, as you can see here, and then we have to start creating pages. So let's just click on pages, and all of the things here. About Us is a page, Contact Us is going to be another page, and then we are going to upload these legal pages as well. So let's just start from About Us. I'm going to click on new page, and then I'd love to put here About Us, and then I would love to write a little brief of this website, like what are the informations we are going to provide to our visitors. So let me take some demo text here, as the text of About Us page depends on your website. So we are going to use a demo text. So I'm going to find out lorem ipsum. It will save us some time. All right, so let's say this is our About Us page information, and let's just remove the formatting by using Notepad. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to make a post here. So let's assume this is our About Us page posting. So let's click on publish. All right, so we have created our About Us page. It's time to put some information on our contact page, or let's say Contact Us page. So let's click on new page again, and let's click on right here on the title, Contact Us. After that, let's put some more information here. Let's say please send us an email to, let's put your email address here. Let's say I'm going to put mine for any inquiry. All right, so this is our Contact Us page information. So let's click on publish. So we have created two important pages here, and now we have to create our other important pages like privacy policy. So let's just do that. We have to click on new page again, and after that, let's copy this part, privacy policy, copy it and paste it here. After that, let's just copy from this part until it's just finished up and showed us the other option, which is terms and conditions. So let's just copy from the top to this part. All right, so let's copy it, and then let's go back to the Blogger backend where we are making the page, and then paste it here. And now here we have to make some changes. As you can see, privacy policy for your website name, your website address, and other these green background marks where we have to make the changes. So we have to put our website name here. So as you can see, our website name is Human Health Guide. So let's just make it here, remove them, and I'm going to put Human Health Guide, and we are going to remove these backgrounds from here. It's just for your understanding purpose, and I'm actually going to make it bold, or let's just make it here. Okay, privacy policy for human health guide, and then it's going to be started. Our website address is this one, so I'm going to copy it and going to paste it here, okay, with all the spacings. And after that we have got another place to make the change, and here we have to enter our email address. So as our email address is here, this one, so I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we are now done with this privacy policy for our website page. All right, so let's click on publish, and it's time to create our terms and conditions page. So let's just copy this part, copy, and then click on new page and paste it to the title and make the change here, your website name. And then we have to copy all the elements from here. Here we have to make few more changes than before. So let's just copy it, and we have to make the post here. All right, so here as you can see, I have to make the change on our website address, website email address, website name, etc. So let me do them in fast forward mode on each of these green marks. And then last revised the date of the day. So today is 14th March 2020. So I'm going to keep it as it is. After that, just hit publish button. And we have got our terms and conditions page as well. And it's time to go for disclaimer page. So let's just copy this one from here. Copy and click on new page. Paste it in the title section. And then put your name, and then we have to copy all of the parts, or actually all of these elements from here, and then copy again, go back here, paste them. And now I'm going to make the change here on this page as well in fast forward mode to save your time. Alright, so we are done with this page editing, and here as you can see update, this site disclaimer was last updated on today's date. So you have to make the change here on the date as well whenever you are actually adding the pages. Alright, and after that just click on publish. And now we are done with creating all the required pages for our website, and it's time to assign these pages to our website. For example, if I just click on about us page, it is not going to work as this is not updated or actually added through our menu section. So what we have to do, we have to go back, and then we are going to go to Blogger in a new tab, or actually let's say create this layout page in a new tab so that our pages will be opened here. All right, so here we have got our option for make all the changes. So as you can see, these menu section which are in this main menu section, so you have to click on this edit button here. And after that, okay, so before I click on edit section, I'd have to copy this about page. So first of all, we open this page in a new tab, about us page, and then copy this page, and after that copy this page URL. Okay, and after that go back to this Blogger backend, click on main menu, or actually edit menu, and after that click on this menu about us edit section, and then you have to enter the URL. So I'm going to enter this URL here. Let's click on paste and then click on save. Click on save. And now if someone is going to visit our website, let me click on it or reload. And now if I just click on about us page, they are going to see our about us text here. All right, so whatever you are going to write, and our about us, working on our about us has been completed. And now it's time to add our contact us page. So now if I just click, it is not going to work, but let me just make it working. So again, we have to go back here and then view this contact us page, and then copy this contact us page from here, actually URL here from here, and then you have to go back here on this Blogger layout menu and then click on edit button here and find out the contact us menu. All right, so let's click on edit, and after that you have to enter the address, actually URL. Click on save, click on save. All right, so now if someone is going to click on our contact us page, they are going to find this information or an email address where they could send us an inquiry, or they could actually use this contact us form as well. So let's just move on and add our disclaimer or actually legal pages, and I'm going to place them into this about us page section, just like this one with this drop down menu. All right, so let me show you how to do them. First of all, let's go back. I'm going to omit them from here, and we have to go back here on this main menu, and before we go here we should read these like disclaimer, terms and conditions, privacy policy, these pages. So let's just do that. Click on main menu, then edit, and after that we want to create a new site under about us, and we want to give one underscore, and after that we have to put terms and conditions. All right, and okay, so I have made another mistake though. I have to open this one, terms and conditions page, and copy this one. Okay, and then I have to place the link here. Let's click on paste and click on add link. All right, and then we want to place it under about us, but we are going to do that after creating other pages here. So let's go back here, and then we want to open our privacy policy page. So let's view it in a new tab, and then let's copy this URL and go back here, or actually here on this page which is already been opened, and then we are going to write privacy policy, and after that put the URL which I have just copied. Click on add link. Okay, so I have made another mistake here. We have to place this hyphen first on the name. Okay, sorry, actually underscore first, and then click on save, and here it is ready. And now we have to open our disclaimer page in a new tab. Let's copy this URL, and after that go back here, and then disclaimer, and then put the website URL or the page URL, and then actually we have to give the underscore, and then click on add link. And now if we just click on save, they are going to be listed in home page. So let me just reload this page as an example, and just take a look. They're in home page, but we don't want them in home page. We want them in about us page, under about us page. So let me show you how to do them. We have to go back into the Blogger backend, and then click on this menu section again into this edit button, and then we have to use this arrow button to place them into the bottom of this about us page. All right, or actually in the down below of this about us page. So let's click on disclaimer, then our disclaimer has been placed, and now we have to take our privacy policy page, and then we want to take our terms and condition page. And now if I just click on save, and if I click on view blog, we are going to see there is no drop down menu in home page, but we have got a drop down menu on about us page, which you are seeing here: terms and conditions, privacy policy, and disclaimer. All right, so now if someone is going to click on these pages, they are going to read all the required information or all the important information of our blog site. All right, and let me just click on privacy policy. Same thing, they are going to see and read, they will be able to read all the required or important information from our website. So these are the pages which are going to be really important for a blog site to get approved by Google AdSense. And after making, let's say 10 to 15 posts, and after waiting, let's say from 7 days to 1 or 2 months, and after making continuous posting on your blog site, you will see an option just like, let me take you to my other account here, and I'm going to see if this website is okay. So we are going to click on here, and then you will see a page, or actually earning page, just like this one from Google AdSense. Turn your passion into profit. AdSense is free. You just have to click on sign up for AdSense, and then you have to provide your email address and other information to sign up, which is really easy to do. And if you need, or if you want me to show you the step-by-step process, please let me know by commenting below. So that was it, guys. And now if I just take you to our actual page, where actual website where you're working on currently, and let me show you what it is going to see after clicking on this earning page. You are going to see that your blog doesn't currently qualify for AdSense because we don't have posts on this website yet, and then we don't have, actually we have created this website recently, so we need some time to get noticed by Google, and then we'll have this option here available to sign up with our Google AdSense account. So that was the process, guys, and I hope you have found this video helpful. And again, if you want to watch these videos as well, I'm going to attach this playlist URL into the video description for you, so that you'll be able to watch all of the contents from this playlist. And I'm going to update this playlist with new videos in coming days as well, so please don't miss to check this out to learn more about blogging and other stuffs and how to make money with blogging. That was it, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a like and share me your opinion by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this one. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.